And I rolled my ankle. Water in it. That was gross. Is this thunder? Nice. That is our... All right. Good morning. It is 4:59 a.m. and we pushed our time back a little bit because it was thundering and lightning. But the plan is to leave at 5:30. So I'm almost done setting up. That's where we're going. Going to the hut so we can eat breakfast. So I'm about to head up this. Okay, so I just sat down. I had some coffee. Here's still got a little left. I ate some very soupy oatmeal because I put too much water in it. That was gross. And just chilling for a little bit before we start back up. It's tough. Monica, is there anything you'd like to say?
Easy work.
As my dad would say, all eyes, all eyes. Yeah. You guys see it? Huh? My face is sweating. You see it? It's dripping. Oh, we just finished at the hut. It's pretty cool. My lady friend came in town, so that was fun. But if you ever hike this loop and you stop at the, I don't know, it was a hut. It started with a G. They have feminine products in their bathrooms. So there you go. I brought some just in case. Anyway, we're going that way. Where she's going. Up there. Woohoo!
Easy work.
Yeah, so easy. So easy. Like, we were made to do this stuff. All right, let me climb up these rocks real quick. Please. Is that thunder? Is this thunder right here? Did you hear that?
I heard something. Yeah.
Hopefully it's not thunder. Lord Jesus. Don't let it be thunder.
I mean, the clouds do look a little ominous.
What do you think? You think we should just push? And you snack?
Maybe at least get below tree line.
YouTube viewers, what do you think? Is that rain coming our way?
Yeah, they are looking a little stormy.
Oh man. I really wanted to eat lunch too. Oh, and I rolled my ankle. And it hurt. I said a curse word. I love it when there's flat part. It is getting late. It's 7:36, less than an hour before sunset. And we still have a couple of miles to go. I think like 3, maybe, something like that, I don't know. But my feet are sore, my knees hurt, and I gotta pee. But we're by a stream, so I can't. Fun stuff. Okay, I lied. We have 4 miles to the car. But there's a bee and it keeps following me. I don't like it. I asked him nicely to go home. See? You see it? Do you see it? Because I hear it.